Good morning. It's 9/12, 24th of July 2024 here. Looking at the daily structure, swing is bearish. Nothing changes here in the last couple of months. We're having this bearish structure, and we are expecting this swing low to go eventually, unless the market decides that it wants to do something else. I'm going to form my bias on a daily that we are bearish. Looking at the daily internal structure, we are also bearish. This was our move to the downside, break of structure, and this is our last internal leg, which is also bearish. So we are expecting this and this low to go. Looking at the 4-hour, same thing with the daily internal. If the daily internal is, not always, but most of the times, if the daily internal is bearish, then the 4-hour swing will be pretty much the same here. So this was the bearish leg, internal daily 4-hour swing, this level right here. So now we are expecting the price to take out this level right here. Does it have to do it? Like I've mentioned, no. Who knows what it wants to do, but this is just how I like to form my bias with the structure on the higher time frames. Looking at the internal structure, we were bullish, so I'll do it from the beginning. I'm not sure what's going on with my PC, it's a bit laggy. So the market structure here was something like this. Then we had a break, pullback, and then this was the last low. We broke it here. We had a little bit of a pullback here. Then we broke this, and then we broke structure. So the 4-hour swing and internal are aligned bearish. We did break structure here. I'm not expecting a massive pullback. Usually when the 4-hour usually where there is a break of structure, not a break of structure, a market structure shift from bullish to bearish, the price doesn't come back to the 50% level always. Sometimes it just pulls back a little bit and then it continues doing whatever it has to do. So I will be looking for a little bit of a pullback here. Oh, we're getting a little bit of a move now, maybe towards this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, sweeping some of this low resistance liquidity, and then maybe giving me some sort of a market structure shift chalk, and then I will maybe take a short. 15-minute, just a quick one, because we are getting some movement here, and I would like to take a trade. 15-minute is also bearish. This is the swing structure. Boom. When it comes to, so we would expect a little bit of a pullback, like I've mentioned, but just because we broke this, we had this market structure shift, I'm not expecting too much of a pullback, even though it would be nice to come back to this extreme supply, maybe do something like this, boom, 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 then that would be amazing. Does it have to do it? No, it can just drop. Where was I? So the swing structure 15-minute is bearish. The internal for me is a bit tricky, because if I was gonna go from here, it would look something like this, and then some people like to mark like this. This was technically a break, and there's another break, and then you're not getting a break until here. Yeah, but you are how I would draw it. Let's do it how I would draw it. This, and then we had a break here, pullback, break, pullback. So technically the internal 15-minute, that's it. That would be it right here. Let me zoom in. Oop. Let me zoom in here, because I wouldn't mind classifying this as just one leg as well, because this is getting a bit messy here. There we go. So the internal, because these right here are very small pullbacks, but they just might be enough to classify for me as internal pullbacks. I will count them as internal pullbacks. So the internal structure looks something like this, and then we have a break. So this is the 50-minute internal structure for me. I'll mark it out. And this will be, oh, we can type it like this now. Nice. This would be the week. That's pretty cool that you can type it now. There's no pop-up window. I didn't even realize. Yes, it will be something like this. We did sweep this Asia, but there hasn't been really a nice displacement yet to the downside. So right now we are just kind of staying in the range. This is just a little bit of a range bound here. I would like to see it maybe create a little bit of a low here, like a fractal, sweep, break, and then watch it come down. We did sweep this low, but there hasn't been really a displacement to the upside here. This is just one more. We had a shock, but that's not enough of a movement for me to go long. I don't like this. If it was something like this, maybe like a fair value gap, maybe a long would be nice, but there's nothing here. Very corrective move. I'd like to see a nice sweep, or yeah, I want to see a sweep either way. Maybe. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it here. Market's kind of in this range. The Asia has been swept. This low also has been swept pretty much. So yeah, I have to stay very careful here. We'll see what it shows. Stay safe and take care.